Hi and welcome back to our course on SolidWorks for beginners. We have completed the second module of our course where we have learned how to perform various operations on sketches. Now in the next module, we will learn how to create 3D parts in SolidWorks. In this lecture, we are going to learn the command called Extruded Boss Base. This is the simplest way of converting a sketch into a 3D part. So let's first select a plane, say top plane. And sketch. Now draw some geometry. Like, a circle. Rectangle. And a straight slot. Now either you can go to Exit Sketch, or you can directly click on Extruded Boss Base in the top menu under Features. We will first exit from the sketch. Now, select Extruded Boss Base. As soon as you click on it, the screen will show an isometric view. The direction of the arrow shows in which direction from the plane, the part will be created. You can drag the arrow with the help of the mouse in the opposite direction. Let's take a look at this window. Under Direction 1, there are many options. Blind means that the direction will be perpendicular to the plane and can extend up to any length. You can type the desired length here. Up to vertex means up to a point in the drawing. Up to surface means the 3D part will touch the surface of any other body or any plane in that direction. Offset from surface means it will be at a distance from the face of the body or plane. Up to body means up to the nearest point of the body. Midplane means that thickness will added in both directions equally. You can either drag the arrow, or you can directly type the desired thickness. We will create the first 3D part, using blind. You can choose a draft angle from here. Draft angle describes the amount of taper you want to add to the 3D part. Let's skip it for now. OK. This is our first extruded part box. Right-click on Boss Extrude 1 and go to the Edit Features option. Now let's see the other options. Like, Direction 2. If you want unequal thickness, then you have to use this option. You can type the distance directly or use the arrows to increase or decrease. The options for specifying the length are also the same for Direction 2. Now there is another thing called Selected Contours. If you don't want to extrude the entire sketch, then you can choose the contours, that is, any closed geometry that you want to extrude. OK. See, only the rectangle and circle were extruded. Now let's look at the draft angle and how it is used. Let's add 10 degrees. Click on Draft Outward to reverse the direction of the tilt. Choose Direction 2 and give it a small thickness, say 50 mm. Let's change the draft angle to 8 mm so the bodies don't touch each other. Select OK. This is how you can convert a sketch into a part body. Thanks for watching this lecture, see you in the next one.